Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start this week's last tech talk with VIVO. It is officially confirmed that VIVO X90 series will be the first smartphones to be launched with MediaTek Dimensity 9200 SoC, and these are being launched this November in China. Realme launched the vanilla variant of Realme 10 series, that is Realme 10, in the global market. This smartphone has 6.4-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, AMOLED display. It is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. It has 50 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging, LPDDR4X RAM with 8 GB virtual RAM support, UFS 2.2 storage. It runs on Realme UI 3.0 operating system based on Android 12, 3.5 headphone jack, side mounted fingerprint scanner. It comes in rush black and clash white colors and has USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. This smartphone is launched in 5 variants. The price of 4GB 64GB variant is $229, that is around rupees 19,000. The price of 4GB 128GB variant is $249, that is around rupees 20,000. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is $269, that is around rupees 22,000. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is $279, that is around rupees 23,000, and the price of 8GB 256GB variant is $299, that is around rupees 24,000. Infinix silently launched its Infinix Zero 5G 2023. This smartphone has 6.78-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, LTPS IPS LCD display. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 5G SoC. It has 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper. It has 8GB LPDDR5 RAM with 5GB virtual RAM support, 256GB UFS 3.1 storage, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. It runs on XOS 12 operating system based on Android 12, side mounted fingerprint scanner. It comes in pearly white, coral orange and submariner black color options and has USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Rare design images of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is here. OnePlus is planning to launch its OnePlus Nord CE3 in the second quarter of 2023. Noise is going to launch its Noise Earbuds 2 soon in India. Honor is going to launch its Honor Magic VS on 23rd of November in China, and some of its confirmed specifications are here. This smartphone will have single punch hole external OLED display. It will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. It will have triple rear camera setup, 5000 mAh battery, and it has ultra thin design. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. Now, I will see you all on Monday with the next fresh episode of Tech Talks by PALLAV. I wish you a very happy weekend. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and remember to wear the mask.